Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how you can view your previously liked posts on Instagram. It's not as intuitive as it is on TikTok, but there's still a way to do it. So let's go ahead and get this going. We just want to select the three horizontal lines in the upper right hand corner. Okay, and then from here, we want to go to our settings. And then even when we're in our settings, it's not exactly intuitive here, but we want to go to where it says account. So if we tap on account here, right, what we're going to end up noticing is about third from the bottom, it says posts you've liked. And if we go ahead and tap on this, you will be able to see all of the posts that you have previously liked. Mine doesn't have any on here because this is just kind of a scrub account for me for these tutorial videos, but you will certainly have yours in there. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.